Real Estate Bookstore presents Be a Real Estate Millionaire, How to Build Wealth for a Lifetime in an Uncertain Economy, written by Dean Graziosi, published on September 23, 2009. Be a Real Estate Millionaire teaches you Dean Graziosi's personal strategies for turning real estate losers into winners. Discover the 7 keys to unlocking hidden real estate values. Learn to identify the 5 types of real estate markets and the right strategy for each. Take Dean's market analysis test to determine the nature of your local real estate market. Find out about Dean's unique formula for win-win-win real estate transactions and experience how you can make money while helping others make money too. Let Dean share his strategies and secrets for becoming a real estate millionaire. Read and act on Dean's advice, and you too will become a real estate millionaire. Real Estate Bookstore, your best source for books at affordable prices with free shipping. Save money today. Visit our site at www.realestatebookstore.com.